So what I've been working on is trying to fix this protection relay that's got a power supply fault on it. And what I've been trying to do is get the transformer out that looks like it's got a shorted winding on it, or inter-winding short on it I should say. And I have a little desoldering gun here. It's just a fairly cheap unit off of Amazon/eBay. And when using it, this is the first time I've actually completely and utterly blocked up the nozzle. Usually I'm quite good with it, but obviously caught myself out. Get that out of the way. And usually you can clear it with these files that do come with it. As you can see, she's well and truly jammed up. Look that way, you see, totally jammed up. If I go from that side, that's as far as that side goes in, so over there to there, so I've jammed up almost half an inch of it with the solder by the looks of it. And the little port here for the vacuum, that's domed to 2mm, but of course 2mm drill is too short to go in there. So what you can get is long series drill bits. So you can see my standard length 2mm drill bit, and that's a long series. I've got 1mm and 1.5 as well, just in case. And what I also got is a set of pin vices, and these are all cheapy eBay stuff. I doubt this is going to last too much longer, but we'll see if we can unblock it together. And all we'll do, I'll try the 2mm to start off with, just see what happens. So we're doing something. Oh yeah, so it's coming out. Could be here a while though. It's not gripping at all. Might go for one of the smaller drill bits first. So it's not going brilliantly with the 2mm, so we'll try the 1.5mm, see if that well, maybe I've totally wrecked this. Stuff coming out. Slowly but surely, seems like. So the problem is with this type of gun, if you don't keep the vacuum on for a little while after solder cools at this top end, because the heat is just down at this end, you'll see if I can get it cleared and I put the nozzle back on. The heat's just around the nozzle really. So we'll keep going and hopefully we'll get this through. Now that's taken some serious, got a few large chunks out. I just have to keep swapping between the two drill bits. I don't think these drill bits are brilliantly sharp, but you'd expect them to be able to take solder out relatively easily, wouldn't you? It's just slowly but surely moving in the right direction. There we go. User pop through now. Wow, that is seriously blocked, so, but it does come through eventually. There's the file going all the way through. Okay, we'll assemble the gun. And we'll see if we can get some suction again. It is a bit of a ropey thing really, this whole pad to go in over there. And then this goes in. And then he pushes up. Here's my schnozzle. Okay, so put him back together. I'll get cleaned up and we'll see if he starts to work. But yeah, if you manage to jam these solder suckers right up, 2mm drill bit, long series, there's probably some better quality ones out there that will go through it a bit quicker. I'd expected solder to give way fairly easily really. Yeah, it's melting anyway. Let's go on you. That's a bit better. Looks well on that one. Well, I'll get this desoldered out, and then we've got a transformer to rewind. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.